Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are on our way right now to Eugene, Oregon. Hubby sold one of the tow trucks, so we're gonna go out there to pick up another tow truck, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be a super quick trip. We're planning on just going there and back, so let's see how this goes. We'll be driving our flatbed tow truck and taking a personal car. I have my in-laws coming with us, following us just in case anything. And then my mom was here visiting for Christmas, so we'll actually be following her on the way back to Oregon because she lives out in Oregon. So let's go guys, wish us luck and let's get on the road.
We are leaving Salt Lake City, Utah. We're heading up to Eugene, Oregon. It's about 13 hours drive. We're going up there to get a truck. So I'm taking my flatbed tow truck to tow that other tow truck back home. So wish us luck on this trip. Hopefully everything goes smooth, you know, and we'll see you guys there.
When uploading this video, it is 2025. A new year is here. Happy New Year. I hope that this year brings you endless joy, success, accomplishments, and cherished moments. I'm so excited to see what 2025 has in store for us. Thank you for everybody that is supporting us and has been here. We appreciate you all.
First pit stop, we're at the Flying J, gonna grab something to eat and use the bathroom.
I'm gonna get things back in the book.
He wants the loaded
Get some milk, and I think I'm just getting my protein.
The burger? No, let me scan that real quick. Thank you. There you go.
What did you get, Ben?
I just barely scanned it.
Easy, bro. That's even make the truck worth a lot. It's a 4-wheel drive. Hell yeah. Oh man, I'm excited for this shit. And I like that. I like the paint on it. Like, that is nice, bro. Hell yeah. Wow.
We just stopped at a rest area really fast. We still have 8.5 hours left.
There's your treat. That's my treat.
You say bye, babies? said bye to my mom. This will be our last stop with her, and then we'll be going a different way. We still have a little bit of a way, so let's hurry up and get there. Okay, this is a big one. It's 4:35 in the morning and we barely made it. See you guys in a few hours.
A long drive. It's a long drive, man.
Hey guys, it's been a couple hours later. I am getting all the stuff ready so we can leave the hotel. The drive here was not good at all, and I'm not looking for the drive back. Hubby got barely any rest. I didn't get much rest. I think I may be getting sick. I don't feel good. So hubby went and picked up the truck and he's loading it up. So I'm gonna get our stuff ready now so we can head out and meet him over where the truck is at. I'm exhausted. I don't feel good. So wish us luck today to get home because we need to start getting ready for another trip. Let's go, guys. Did he go down?
Yeah.
How much did you get it for?
15 grand. 15,000. We bought this truck.
Guys, this is the king at negotiating.
So this is the truck right here. I mean, they say the transmission, something's wrong with it. Well, it seems like it's driving good. I mean, it shifted a little hard, which is no big deal. Even if the transmission is bad, we still can fix it. But other than that, as you guys can see, man, this is a hell of a truck. All this right here is not even a wrap. This is airbrush. They put a lot of money into it.
That's pretty cool.
Brand new tires.
4x4?
4x4. Extended cab. Really nice. So I'm happy with the purchase I made.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Now we're just gonna drive it up to the mountains and see how she's gonna be doing. And if something comes to worse, we got a big daddy over here to tow it.
Hubby's gonna drive this, I'm gonna drive this, and then my father-in-law will be driving the flatbed. If anything happens to this, then we will load it up on here and then go home. So let's get out of here. We stopped to get some food and then we are going to be heading out. I'm not looking forward to this drive, so wish us luck. We have Babe over here and then Mom and Dad over here. And then I have Ben and Jay and Salai. So we got KFC, Wingstop, kind of a little variety right now, but we're about to be heading on the road soon. You okay, Salai?
Yep.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like the song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity.
I'm getting stuck in a stop, so it was traffic here.
Because of how bad the road is, it's like the black ice is bad. Like the ice is so thick, so we got stuck. We're basically on top of a mountain. I don't know what this called, but it's close to Sister something city in Oregon. Yeah,
So traffic is finally moving.
so hopefully we can get through this and
Get there
a long
home
night.
safely.
It's gonna be a long night.
And get there home safely.
Yeah.
Mommy.
We have to get home because we have a trip tomorrow to go.
4, 5, 6.
Guys, we're making another stop right now to fill up for fuel. Guys, this trip is so shitty. We are still 8 hours out and we just want to be home. So that's the update right now. This sucks. Hey guys, it's been a lot later since I updated you guys. We are in Boise, Idaho right now, trying to get home. It is, what time is it now? 7 o'clock in the morning. We were supposed to be home right now.
We got stuck out in the bad weather in Oregon. So
Yeah.
the truck wasn't really having issues just one time, but it's good now. So, but it took us long because how the road condition is. So we try to get some get a hotel, but they won't take us. So now we gotta do what we gotta do to sleep in the truck, get some boost up and continue.
So right now we are gonna get some rest so that we can make it back home. So we are trying to get there.
The tow truck is having issues, so we're gonna tow the car from the flatbed.
I will give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head.
Alrighty. So the truck was doing good, and then we start acting up. So now we just loaded up on my flatbed. About 2 hours away. I'm grateful we made it through.
Makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity.
Guys, good news is we made it home. So We got the truck and everything unloaded and where we want it. So thankful for finally getting home. That trip was horrible. I wasn't feeling well. I was feeling sick. Was having just not feeling good. And then some of other of us too were not feeling well. So that was probably one of the worst trips that we've had. Not the worst one, but one of the worst when going and picking up a truck. But we're so thankful to be home. If you enjoyed watching us on this trip, please like and subscribe. You are supporting us and here for the long run. We will see you on our next video. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.